Louise. Say good morning, Aunt Joella.
Good morning, Aunt Joella. Good morning, Aunt Joella.
Tell her what we did last night.
We bought Caleb's money with the Pawa's purse.
But it wasn't Caleb's money. Who was it? Aunt Joella gave who money? So what do you say?
Thank you.
Do you want to show her? You want to show her what we got? Okay, say come with us. Caleb, what's this train track called? I can't hear you. Yeah. Joshua, what's it called? Look at me. And what's Daddy going to do later on with it? I can't hear you, Caleb. Yeah.
Hey, Joshua, show me what you got over there by your train. What's in the middle?
Ooh. You want to show Aunt Joella our pile of train tracks before last night? Way over there.
Hey, guess what?
So that's what Daddy has to work with later.
Yeah, I'm going to put this in there, and the people in there here. This is going to do the same, and this is going to do the whistle. This is going to do the white up there. Okay.
Boys, do y'all know anything about trains?
No.
Oh, Caleb. Say, Mommy, we live and breathe trains. Okay, say thanks, Aunt Joella.
Aunt Joella.
Look at Mommy. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say we love you.
We love you.
Caleb, say I can't hear you.
Love you.
Okay, bye-bye.
7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, my train.
How many trains do you have, Joshua?
10.
Look at me.
You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is 7 not a lot? Okay.
It is for the trains.
Okay. Guess what? This Pawa's bus carries a 10 here. Oh, Joshua, he's waiting to borrow another engine. The black engine. He wants to borrow the black engine. Ooh.
And the fight goes on. Just because I'm not governor doesn't mean I'm not going to keep fighting for you and for the causes that I fought for my whole life.